Namaste, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of yoga, specifically the 4 paths of yoga in Sanatana Dharma. These paths offer unique approaches to spiritual growth and self-realization. So, let's explore them together. Bhakti Yoga, the path of devotion. Bhakti Yoga emphasizes the cultivation of a loving and devotional relationship with a chosen deity or the divine. It recognizes that the path to spiritual awakening is through unwavering devotion and surrender to a higher power. Devotees engage in various acts of worship, prayer, and rituals to express their love and devotion. This may include singing hymns, bhajans, visiting temples or holy places, chanting mantras, and meditating on the divine qualities of the chosen deity. Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. Karma Yoga is centered around selfless service and the belief that one can attain spiritual growth by performing the duties without attachment to the outcomes. It teaches that actions should be performed as an offering to the divine, without any selfish motives. Practitioners engage in acts of service and charity, offering their time and skills to help others. They strive to perform the duties with dedication and a sense of detachment from the fruits of their actions. Jnana Yoga, the path of knowledge. Jnana Yoga focuses on acquiring self-knowledge and realizing the true nature of the self, Atman, and the ultimate reality, Brahman. It involves deep introspection and intellectual exploration to gain insight into the nature of existence. Practitioners often study sacred texts, such as the Upanishads and Vedanta, and engage in philosophical contemplation and meditation. They question their own identity and seek to understand the distinction between the ego and the higher self. Raja Yoga, the path of meditation. Raja Yoga is the path of meditation and mental control. It aims to calm the fluctuations of the mind and achieve a state of inner peace and self-realization. It is often associated with the teachings of Patanjali and his Yoga Sutras. Raja Yoga involves various meditation techniques, including concentration, dharana, meditation, jhana, and the state of deep absorption, samadhi. Practitioners work on mastering their thoughts, emotions, and mental processes through regular meditation and yogic practices. The 4 paths of yoga provide a diverse array of approaches to spiritual growth. Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, and Raja Yoga each offer a unique path towards self-realization and enlightenment. Remember, these paths are not mutually exclusive, and you can explore multiple paths on your spiritual journey. So, which path resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, stay connected and stay blissful.